Well, I don't really expect much from this conference. As you know, the NPC, or the two sessions in China, is more like a forum instead of a place to make real decisions, right? So in the past week, probably the two biggest things are, first, they lowered the growth target to 6 and 6.5% range from 6.5% last year. And the second, they promised to cut the VAT rate by 3 percentage points this year. So I think these are the two biggest things last week, but that's not too surprising. Yeah.
We, of course, had those growth numbers that lowered to between 6 and 6.5%. Where do you expect that they'll come out at the end of 2019? Will it be closer to 6 or 6.5?
Yeah, I think so. The simplest way to think about it is that China growth rate could down 0.2, 0.3% every year, which means that after 2020, the growth rate is going to drop below 6, right? But it's in a gradual way.
Hi, Larry. Larry, a lot of people believe that the embassy was positioned at this time and rescheduled so that there was kind of a backstop in case the trade negotiations really started falling apart, and then they have a forum to kind of help prop it up. There seems to be some propping up and some stimulus, but no kind of bazooka effort. Do you think there's enough to propel the growth given the negotiations, or are we still expecting more? What are your thoughts?
Well, I think for the growth slowdown, I think the current stimulus is probably not enough to stop it. We could see the growth, China growth has slowed for 5 quarters, and I expect it to slow for another 2 to 3 quarters until they step up stimulus. But at this moment, it's just way too early, right? China's growth is probably slow to 6.3%. In first quarter this year, it's still above their 6% bottom line. So I think they're going to defend the 6% bottom line in second half this year, but not now.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.